In today's video, I'll show you how to automatically solve inactive chats after 1 hour in Tidio. This is a great way to keep your inbox clean and help your support team stay focused on active conversations. To begin, log in to your Tidio dashboard. Once you're inside, head over to Settings, then click on Workflows. Workflows let you automate actions like closing chats that no longer need attention. Inside the Workflows section, open the Templates tab. Look for the template called Solve Conversations Automatically for Live Chats. This template is specifically designed to mark conversations as solved after a set period of inactivity. Click Use Template or choose Customize if you want more control. In the workflow editor, you'll see a time condition that determines when chats are marked as solved. Change this value to 1 hour. This means if a visitor doesn't reply within 1 hour, the conversation will automatically move to solved status. This is especially useful when an agent has already responded but the customer doesn't follow up, helping prevent old chats from piling up in your inbox. Once everything is set, make sure you save and activate the workflow. Without activation, the automation won't run. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Autosolve after 1 hour in Tidio, keeping your chat system organized and efficient while your team focuses on conversations that matter most.